We have a flat tire on this Honda because I ran over a screw. Oh. And a washer. So this is how we can plug it with a tubeless tire repair kit. I'm using this Victor brand. There's other brands, Slime and other plug repair kit makers out there. About 10 or 15 bucks for this kit. Now the proper way to repair a tire like this is to take it to a tire shop where they'll put a plug in it from the other side and do a patch on the inside of the tire. So this is emergency use only. I'm going to do it and just see how long it lasts, just to do an experiment. But if you get a flat like this, you should take it to a tire shop as soon as possible and have a proper patch put on the inside and have the wheel, the tire and wheel mounted and balanced again. Okay, so these kits come with a few things. The first is this T-handle rasp type tool for cleaning out the hole once we get the screw out of there. Okay, the second thing is this T-handle tool to push the plug in, and it comes with 5 tire plugs. Okay, so we'll put the one tire plug through this tool and then shove it down into the hole. Okay, and you can buy these. You only have to buy once, but you can buy replacements of these for more than 5 tire repairs. But hopefully it takes you a while to get through 5 tire repairs. Now conveniently, this has a screw on it. That's a Robertson screw. You guys know what that is? A Robertson. Might even just thread out. Oh, maybe not. If you have a nail. Oh, the other thing is these repairs are good for tread repairs. If you have a sidewall repair, a sidewall nail, no good. And if you have like a cut in your tire, you can't use these plug kits either. This is only for punctures like nails and screws, like this one. And this one is threading right out. That's very convenient. Whoa, we're gonna lose air fast here, boys. Yep. A wood screw. So we'll start with this clean out tool. Figure out where the hell this is coming from. Right there. You just want to use it to go back and forth and clean that hole out. Okay, now we'll remove one of these plugs. These are sticky. They don't require any rubber cement. Some kits require you to put rubber cement on these. This one says you don't have to. It's got some sticky, cementy type stuff in it already. So we'll take our little sewing tool and slide the plug in. Just get it started, and then you can pull it through halfway. Right, like that, halfway. Okay, and then we'll insert it into the hole. About 2/3 of the way through, it says. So there's the hole. So let's just push it right in. I'd say that's about 2/3 of the way. You just want it in there so it's onto the other side of the tire. Right onto the inside of the tire. And then it says pull it straight out without twisting. And then finally you want to cut off, like with a razor knife, or I've got some little tiny side cutters here. Let's try the knife first. Cut off the excess. Like that. nice and flush. All right, now we'll inflate it back up. And once the tire's back inflated, in this case I've got it to 35 pounds, just put a little soapy water on here and make sure there's no bubbles. And nothing, it's sealed. So we'll see how long it lasts. Again, this is not the final way to do this, the full proper way. You should take it to a tire shop and get a patch put in underneath, as well as a plug from the inside. But in a pinch, in an emergency, you can use these tire kits. So I'm going to leave it like this and see how long it lasts. I don't drive this truck too much, just in around the neighborhood here. So there's your emergency tire repair fix.